What is GitHub Copilot? GitHub Copilot is a AI pair programmer which help you giving autocomplete suggestions. Yeah, so here is the demo. So suppose example in this demo I have to create a person class and do some stuff on top of that. So what I will just start typing. This is my Android Studio ID. I'll start. Suppose I create a data class here. Just uh, yeah. If you see automatically it's started to give suggestion. Maybe we just person have a name, person have some age, so we just maybe remove this default values. Now suppose let's add yeah, first name and last name, right? So let's create a first name and then a middle name maybe, right? Which would be of type string. If you see it's giving me autocomplete suggestions, and yeah, this is automatically it's kind of saying, hey, you need a last name there. Cool. Now suppose if you want to create a you know uh, name which is some which is kind of first name then middle name and then last name, right? So we would need a method. uh, wow, it is automatically creating a full name for me. Let me, yeah, so if you see it would create a full name like this. And suppose example I have to capitalize this, right? So capitalize, mm, capitalize, it's saying me capitalize the name, but it seems I just want to, capitalize only the first character of the name, right? So in that case, what I'll do is I'll just try to add a comment saying like capitalize first letter of name, first letter of full name, right? And then yeah, just after this, let GitHub Copilot do its magic. So what here it is trying to do is it is trying to split via space, joining the string and then trying to capitalize it. Let's see, I think this is only, yeah, let's see how it works, right? So for that, what we'll go to the person, we'll create a person name, maybe Rahul, and yeah, we'll try to create it something like this, right? First name is Rahul, Kumar, wow, Kumar, then Singh, okay? Now, I think I need to add a age. Age would be 25, and then I just say, first of all, I'll say this dot full name, right? I'll just run this. Yeah, if you see, it is printing Rahul Kumar Singh, right? Similarly, I want to, call this full name capitalized, full name capitalized. Okay. Yeah, okay, automatically. Maybe just try this. Hopefully it should print Rahul Kumar Singh. Yeah, if you see, even I'm entering a small case values, it is capitalizing the first uh, first letter of the name and printing that.